Hello friends, I'm Sujata. You're watching All Season Gardening. Once again, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm discussing uncommon and unusual plant varieties you can grow in India. Here are some weird houseplants you can grow. Lipstick Equaria. It's a wonderful rosette of pointy leaves, has deep green and crimson red margins. The plant also produces flowers in deep red color during spring. Lithops, also known as living stones, its unique pattern gives it a colorful stone-like appearance. The plant produces a single flower and can live up to decades. Zigzag cactus. The arching stems of this cactus are serrated and have alternate leaves pattern that's reminiscent of fish skeletons. It's a great plant for hanging baskets. Cape Sundew. These plants are famous as flypaper as they catch flies with sticky hair on the leaves. Cape Sundew appreciates warm temperatures and moist soil to thrive. Hedgehog cactus. This low growing cactus is covered with fusiliers thanks to the cluster of white spines all across the surface. It also grows flowers in red pink shade. Rose succulent. These succulents grow rose like flowers in striking shades of green and pink, provide plenty of sunlight and deep but infrequent watering for best growth. Hoa heart. Though it's generally sold with a single heart leaf, many grow its vine for a clustered foliage. The plant is low maintenance and asks for minimal attention. Rabbit succulent. Two fusy and long leaves give this plant an impression of bunny's ear. With age, the ears start getting longer in size. Grow it in well draining soil and provide plenty of sunlight. Bat flower. Native to Southeast Asia, the plant is quite rare. Its exotic blooms have two dark hues brackets that mimic the shape of bat. Silver torch cactus. The long stem of this cactus is covered with fine hair that gives it a fuzzy appearance that adds more to the beauty are burgundy to red flowers that can last for 4 to 5 days. Dolphin succulent. This string like vine has dolphin shaped green leaves. The plant is quite interesting to look at, and you can grow it in hanging baskets or as a ground cover. So friends, this is all about the topic. Hope you find this video interesting. Subscribe to my channel for more such content. Like, share and comment. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Thank you.